Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite Zero Build for beginners. Let's dive right in. First, understand that Zero Build removes the building mechanic, making gun skill and movement paramount. Practice tactical sprinting to cover ground quickly and sliding to evade fire. Mantling over obstacles can give you a height advantage. Pay close attention to your health and shield bars, and always know where the safe zone is on your minimap. Mastering these basics is your first step to survival. Now that you're moving, it's time to gear up. Look for chests and floor loot to find weapons, ammo, and healing items. You have 5 inventory slots, so choose wisely. Keep your preferred assault rifle or shotgun in a primary slot for quick access. Remember, weapon rarity matters. A legendary weapon, for example, deals significantly more damage than a common one. Always prioritize shields and health, carrying at least 2 small shield potions or 1 big pot. Combat is inevitable, so let's master the basics. Practice aiming down sights for precision shots and hip firing for close quarters engagements. Always use natural cover. Hiding behind a rock or a wall can save your life. Don't stand in the open. After a fight, immediately use shield potions to restore your blue bar and medkits or bandages for your green health bar. Staying at full health and shields gives you a huge advantage in the next encounter. To secure that coveted Victory Royale, you need advanced tactics. Always keep an eye on the storm circle and rotate early to avoid taking damage. Vehicles like cars or dirt bikes can be incredibly useful for quick rotations. Use high ground to your advantage, giving you a better view and easier shots. Listen for enemy footsteps and gunfire to anticipate engagements. Quick thinking and adapting to the ever-changing battlefield are key to outsmarting your opponents and claiming victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.